Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, April 16th. Sellers came in on these indices, and in the Russell, it traded below its bearish level, the magnitude change. And again, just to give you a reference of what that means for that Russell contract, is $4,000 a contract. And what are we looking for? Asia's just opened up. I'm looking for continued weakness in that market. Let's move on, though, to those currencies. And what we're seeing there in that market is we're seeing some strength and weakness with the US dollar. The euro traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change in that market, $437.50. This is Asia again opening up. I'm looking for an inside day there in that market. Same thing for the Swissy. It also traded below its bearish level. What I want to point out here, it traded below, but look how it immediately popped right back up. So it really didn't trade much in a profit zone before it failed. And now we see sellers coming back in. Now, the magnitude change in that market, $500 a contract again, looking for an inside day. Japanese yen did something very similar, traded just a bit below its bearish level before it popped back up. I am looking for further weakness. The magnitude change in that market, $625 a contract. The Aussie dollar, the magnitude change in this market, again, just to give you a reference, is $3,500 a contract. Inside the lower is what we're looking for. British pound, the magnitude change in that market, again, just to give you a feel, is $437.50. And again, looking for an inside to lower movement. Canadian dollar breaks below its bearish level. Now, the bearish level to this bullish level on the bottom, those are the original parameters that we had. That's $600 a contract. And I do look for further weakness to the downside. Let's move on to interest rates. In the notes, this market traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market, $187.50. I'm not real bullish on this market. I'm looking for an inside day. Asia's opening a little bit stronger. I just don't see a lot of strong follow through in that market or the bond market. Now, the magnitude change between this bearish level here and this bullish level, that magnitude change in that market is $1,750 a contract. Let's talk about metals. And in the gold market, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between that bullish level and that bearish level, again, just to give you a reference, that's $14,000 a contract. And I'm looking for an inside day here. I don't expect buyers to really step up to that market. And if it comes to the nat gas market, it continues lower. Be cautious, it's approaching levels that buyers may be coming back in that market. And in the wheat market, it did trade lower, that it's bouncy at these lows. Look for an inside to possibly higher movement in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.